Hey Ron, I have been working on this, and it is for the coordinate systems section, and I'm just kind of doing some extra little stuff on the side here. But I just thought I'd show you this. Maybe you'd find this useful. So you're given a vector. This is what I'm going to give to my students, a Desmos applet that I just created here. You're given a vector. Let's just say it's the vector. Let's make it a nice vector, 2020. Actually, I don't think I can do that. 2021. Okay. Given that vector 2021. And in the standard basis, right? So that is 20E1 plus 21E2. However, let's suppose that you want to create a new basis, and you can move these any which way you want. So I only restrict them to be between negative 10 and 10, pretty much, or negative 11 and 11 in the x direction. Let's suppose that you want to make a linear combination of those two new basis vectors. So as discussing with students, you say, well, all right, we're skewing our vision here, and we're trying to create a new coordinate system based upon these new bases. And the linear combination of those two bases that's required would be this 3.5 and 2.0. Now, of course, you could also, by the way, change these to where the numbers are slightly nicer, but actually, let's do it like this one. I just saw one, 3, comma 1. All right. So there's our two basis vectors. I'll zoom in here. 11, 3 and negative 9, 5. So two new bases. And we are saying that it would require 3 of those red vectors and 1 of those blue vectors to create our vector in this new system. Now, to showcase that, I'm going to turn off the bases and I'm going to turn off this as well. I'm going to say what you're looking at right now is actually not our standard XY axis, but instead, this is our B1 axis and our B2 axis, where B1 and B2 are defined by the vectors 11, 3 and negative 9, 5. It's just skewed in our vision here. So the vertical is actually negative 9, 5, and the horizontal, again, is actually 11, 3. To see that this is actually the proper linear combination of these two bases, I'm going to turn that off, and we'll take a look at what 3 times the red vector plus 1 times the blue vector looks like. It looks kind of like that right there. If you are looking back at our standard basis, our XY axis here, and if you turn on the original vector, there you have it. I think that's kind of a neat thing. I don't know if that was a waste of my time to do, but I think that's kind of neat. And obviously, you could fiddle with this all day long and make little fun new linear combinations out of these. I just thought I'd share that with you. If you want it, I could send you the link to all this. All right.